Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
This guide shows how to use the Lidar sensor on iPhone 13 Pro Max. Lidar measures depth by timing infrared light pulses up to 5 meters. Use it for faster autofocus, night mode portraits, and improved AR placement. Open a compatible app like Measure, Camera, or a third-party AR app. The sensor appears as a dot grid in AR view for spatial mapping. Keep the phone steady and sweep slowly to build an accurate point cloud. Save scans as OBJ or UST files for sharing and post-processing workflows. Start the Measure app to get quick distance reads with Lidar assistance. Tap the green plus to set start and move slowly to the endpoint. Measure reports distances in inches or centimeters. Change units in settings. For whole room scans, use a steady circular sweep at chest height about 1-2 meters. Keep objects at least 0-2 meters from the sensor for reliable returns. Use consistent lighting and avoid reflective surfaces like mirrors for better depth. Export scans as USTs for AR or OBJ for modeling workflows on a Mac. Lidar enables faster autofocus, especially in low light, for iPhone 13 Pro Max. Night mode portraits use depth maps to separate subject from background accurately. Enable portrait mode and watch the camera use Lidar for quicker subject lock. If scans look noisy, recalibrate by rebooting and cleaning the sensor area gently. Lidar uses low power but heavy scanning can reduce battery life noticeably over hours. Respect privacy by asking permission before scanning people or private property with Lidar. Update iOS regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.